In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate moments and also how to find or calculate the missing force. So here is an example. We are going to use this exam question that came in 2021 July physics for GCSE students. All right, so the question reads, a plank balances horizontally on a log of wood which acted as a pivot. Okay, so this is a plank that is balancing on this wood that is acting as a pivot. A girl sits on one end of the plank and her brother pushes down on the other end to make the plank balance horizontally as shown in this figure. So now, here is a question. Calculate the moment of the girl's weight about the pivot and show that it is close to 480 Newton meter. All right, so first of all, you need to know that this force here of the girl is the anti-clockwise. This is the anti-clockwise, so the girl is exerting the force of anti-clockwise, then the brother is exerting clockwise force. All right, so they are saying you need to calculate the moment of the girl's weight about the pivot and show that it is close to 480 Newton meter. So moment is given by force times distance. Okay, so this is how you find moment. You multiply the force by the distance. Okay, so what is the force exerted by the girl? So we're going to get this weight here. We'll get the weight of the girl, which is 404 newtons, then times the distance, it's this one, from here to the pivot. Okay, so 1.2 meters. All right, so 404 times 1.2 is 484.8. The Newton times meter, you have Newton meter. But remember, they want you to show that this value is close to 480 Newton meter. So what you're going to do is just to write this number to two significant figures. So this is going to be 1, 2. So the target value is this. You check the neighbor is less than 5. So you have 480 Newton meter. So because this is an approximation, we are going to write this to show that you are approximating. All right. The next question says the plank balances horizontally when the boy pushes down with a force F at a distance of 1.6 meters from the pivot. Okay? Yeah, this force here, they're talking about this force. Calculate the size of force F. So this question is trying to test you if you know the principle of moment. So the principle of moment states that the sum of clockwise moment is equal to the sum of counterclockwise moments or anticlockwise moments. Okay, so now when you look at this diagram, this force is the clockwise force that we are looking for, and the distance from the pivot is 1.6. So we're going to say to multiply the force times 1.6 meters is equal to the moment produced by the girl. It will be this force times that. So 404 times 1.2. All right. But remember, we already found this moment here. So we can just get this. Okay. So we can just say 4, we'll get it here, the original one. So this is two significant figures. Okay. This is under two significant figures. So we'll get this, which is the moment of the girl. So we have 484.8 Newton meter. Then to get the value of F, we are going to divide by 1.6 meters 1.6 meters. So this and that goes. Then we'll have force is equal to, so when you divide this, you get 303. And then you see that this meter and this meter will cancel. What will remain is just the unit of force, which is the newtons. So the force F is 303 newtons. All right, if you are with me up to this point, it means you're enjoying what I'm doing. Hit the like button, comment, like, and share.